Hello, happy traders. How are you? I hope you guys are good. Guys, thank you for liking and subscribing my channel. So guys, चलिए आज कुछ बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ों पे बात करते हैं। जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं कि on 23rd July there is a budget session in the market, and because of that, guys, lot of rumors are been spread into the market, and the rumors are like 30% tax on future and option, increase in the lot size of future and option, or increase in high margin in future and option. Okay, as well as SEBI has taken a strict guidelines in controlling the hero zero trades. Okay, so I believe that if SEBI has taken a strict guidelines in order to control hero zero trade, a lot of people from hero they became zero. Okay, so that's the only reason why SEBI has taken the step. Okay, now if you think in economy wise or global, it is good for a retail investor that people who are trading hero zero stocks will not become hero. Okay, rather they'll become zero. So the only thing is that most very few people makes money, and most of the people lose money in hero zero because sometimes you cannot even sell the stock which you have bought. Okay, and it is very difficult to catch a moment and then sell it at a higher price. I understand the 3 rupees shares will touch up almost 16 rupees or 210 rupees. I understand this is going to give you a lot. By risking a penny you make something like anything like 2 lakhs or 3 lakhs. So anyway guys, I'm not talking about that thing. Well, being as a trader, being as a investor, being as an analyst, being as an educator, and being as a mentor, my job is to guide you properly, okay, and to tell you how you can monetize yourself. Now, those of you who are trading has to be very careful with your portfolio, because if you see the market, it rallied up, and then yesterday due to some technical error issues, there was a global technical error into the market. Stock market fell down almost 400 points, okay, from 24,800 to 24,500. Now the put value didn't rise up after this fall. Now most of you would have been got trapped, like what is happening, why it is not moving, and why this stuff is not working. So those traders who made the profit, very good, but that's a penny profit. But I believe most of the trader would have incurred a losses. So guys, if you see that things are little bit very different from the past 3 months, or every important day during the budget day, people loses a lot of money. Even in the budget there will be some technical error or there will be some technical problem, and people will end up losing all the thing. So I believe it's going to happen because from the past 4 years I've been watching Zerodha server down, other brokers server down, other brokers server down. It's not with the one broker, guys, it's with every, and the Zerodha is the worst of all of them. Okay, so anyway, this is what you can do from this type of thing, guys. Actually, don't trade. If you're holding, hold it, okay, but don't trade stocks on Saturday. Small traders with less capital, don't take trade, don't take risk. And even also big trader, don't take risk. Okay, if tomorrow or day after tomorrow if you don't take any trade, you won't lose anything. You still have 1 year left. Okay, and nothing is wrong with that. Try to understand, because but tomorrow or day after tomorrow will be a news driven market, and there nothing is going to work with that. If you are on the short position, you may end up profit, but at in 1 second or 30 second you lose the entire profit. So what's the use of that? These people are very smart, and they are very smart in manipulating the market, and they know how to take your money. And since they are with a big capital, it is very difficult for a retail person to, in order to monetize themselves. That is the bitter truth. Unless and until you have a 4 years or 5 years of experience, you cannot make it. I believe that. So what to do with that, guys? You see, I believe the Nifty has made a short position, and I believe that Nifty will continue its short position for a longer period of time. But as per the data, If you see, there will be some sort of kind of uh, I don't think, maybe Nifty will rise up, or maybe it will give upper circuit, or maybe it will go down circuit. But since there is a one man economy, feels like Ambani, okay, is taking the top spot in his capital, as well as President of India portfolio is also at all-time high. Even it is all-time higher than FIS, okay, which I'm talking about, foreign institutional investors. So the foreign institutional investors will not go against these two big powerful players like President of India and DIS, and even though Ambani is at the top spot. So the three peoples are and one people is against. So it's better for FIS not to mess with India. So they know how to keep their capital safe. So what we can expect from the market? Well, everything. Let's go back, guys, and check the which is FIS data. Okay. So guys, if you see the monthly expiry future and option, like for the retail, it's long almost 12%. DIS is little bit negative. Yeah. FIS is almost positive. And pro traders, which include mutual funds or some other companies, small, they have been like this. Okay. Now, if we talk about the future stock longs, retails are like almost up for 2.5%, and DI is almost 185%, and FI is also 11.2%. Now, if you see for compare this and this call short, this they are up like 21%. Okay. Now, option index put long. Okay. So they are comparing with the long and comparing with the short. They are managed their position. Okay, FIS has managed their position. Whether market will go move up or it move down, their position has been hedged with this data. Okay, nothing much, but rather they will be on put long because they expect that the market to fall down. So either way, they lose a penny and they end up making profits. But about DIS, DIS's index put long is almost 62%. Now index call long, they are like 0%. So what's the chances? The chances are maybe the market will go down. And let's talk about the put. This one, this data is something like they're 1% up, and the call long is something like 16%. So the call shorts, now the call short, if you look about from the perspective of option writer, okay, so their position is 21%, and the put short, their position is 4%. So hardly they are collecting premiums. Okay, even if the market goes against them, they'll end up making the guaranteed money. So I believe the position has been properly hedged up, FIS. And let's talk about the retails. Well, retail has nothing to do with it because every retailer end up losing money. So it's better in order to make money, just do opposite what retailer does. Well, this retailer thing does not matter. Just for general observation that what's the entire society is doing. Okay, entire India economy, retail people, how they think, how they react. Well, one must understand this is a one-man game, or it's a two-man game. DIS and FIS both have equal amount of money. Now, overall, they are in the fight to protect their economy. DIS is protecting their economy. FIS is trying to take them down. Now, DIS will always be in advantage position. Well, I cannot say that. Well, anyway, look, if you see that stock call long, they are like up for 637%. Maybe DIS is very smart, but not smarter than FIS. Now FIS is almost 3,000 times up in stock position. Okay, now they have shorted the DIS. What they have did that they have shorted the call position like 40,000 times. Okay, and FIS is something like long for this time. So guys, the DIS is making a net position of short. Okay, So we expect a market to fall down heavily, the market to fall down, because the three players are with DIS only, okay, which is President of India, Ambani's, and domestic institutions. Okay, these have the highest. Even the President of India funds is higher than FIS. So, guys, it is very very important, decision for a retail investor to not to go long in any position, no matter how the market hits. If it hits upper circuit, it's okay, no issue, you'll end up making money other day. But for retailer, protecting their capital is far more important than doing trading on budget day, because I have witnessed what happened on 4th July. During the election, the market crashed almost 8%. How many of us would have made money? Like those who were in the order, they couldn't sell it. Okay, placed their order, couldn't sell it. So, guys, I'm totally against a budget. I have no comment onto this. My analysis is very clear that my analysis, it's not something like what I'm doing the analysis. It's just a general observation which the data is showing, and that's what I am speaking. So, if you are smart, then definitely you will understand what I'm trying to speak. And if you will follow, you'll always end up making money. And if you don't, well, not even God can save you. So, guys, this is my own experience, and I'm telling you to just observe what is happening into the market. Rest decision is all up to you. So, guys, best wishes, happy trading, and God bless you. Keep learning, keep earning. Thank you.